Man, what's going on, y'all? This nigga is snoring so loud, bro. You hear this shit? I can't sleep because of this, bro. Listen to this nigga, man. This nigga sound like an alligator trying to get out of water that he can't swim in. God damn, bro. This is getting louder. Sound like the monster under the bed. We got a trainer right now, so I can show y'all who I am. We got a trainer right now. I'm trying to keep up the boat. This nigga's just driving me crazy. You sound like a grizzly bear. Feeding time at the zoo. This shit is nuts, nigga. Why are you doing this? Why are you so loud? It's time to make a look. Hey, you snoring loud as hell, bro. Very loud. If we was hiding from the bad people, they would catch us because you're snoring. I'm just bullshitting. Go back to sleep, bro.
Wanted to kill me.
Well, I don't want to kill you, but I know Mother Nature want to kill you because that shit is loud. Nah, you good, man. You good. Go back to sleep, bro. I'm just fucking with you. You was in a deep sleep, though. I can tell because your ass was snoring as hell. Alright, man. Good night, man.